My name is Mike Roman, and I'm the Residential Designer and Estimating Software Coordinator for 41 Lumber in the Upper Peninsula of Michigan. I'd like to talk for a minute about our experience using CADSoft and Envisioneer. We have 6 estimators in our company who all use Envisioneer for our estimating of both residential and light commercial projects. Envisioneer has made our estimates more accurate and much quicker. Now, here is how we use the software in our company every day. We usually start with a PDF file of the drawings that we're going to be creating the estimate for. That PDF file is imported into Envisioneer and scaled. Typically this takes about a minute, maybe less, but it does go very quickly. Once we have the PDF in our estimate, we just start building the estimate the same way that you would build the building on site. Using the PDF file as a guide, we simply draw our walls, floors, ceilings, and roofs with the tools in Envisioneer. We also add windows and doors into the estimate the same way. It's all very easy to do. Now, one of my favorite features of Envisioneer is that it's creating the estimate as you draw. You can generate a material list at any time to see what is being calculated. Now, when I first started using Envisioneer, I found myself generating a material list at every major step in the process, just so that I could see how it was estimating and to convince myself that it was estimating properly. After doing this a few times, I had enough confidence that the software was calculating properly. Now I just create the estimate at the very end of the process. But it is good to know that you can do it at any time though, as I find that this ability is often of great help when trying to troubleshoot some formulas in your estimate. Now, if a customer wants to make a change while we are estimating the project, it's easy to make those changes too. We simply use the replace command to replace the existing item with the new one. The change is then reflected in the material list. Again, very easy to do. Now, we also use the software as a sales tool. We can use the rendering features in Envisioneer to show our customers what their home will look like with a particular siding or roofing that they have picked out. And then we can show them some other options to maybe try to upsell some other materials. We can also export our 3D model to our Kitchen Designers 2020 software and our truss manufacturer's MyTech Design software to help save them time as well, because they don't have to create that model again. Now, if you take a little bit of time to learn the software and get comfortable with it, it will pay big dividends in the future, as your estimates will be more accurate and they'll be quicker too.